Question 10. Here is the charge at a car park in Spain. 0.024 euros per minute. John parked his car in the car park. He drove into the car park at 10:45. When he drove out of the car park, he had to pay 8.4 euros. At what time did John drive out of the car park? How long was he there for, I wonder? Well, let's have a look. He had to pay 8.4 euros. And we know it's 0.024 per minute. So I could work out how many minutes he stayed in the car park by doing 8.4 divided by 0.024. That tells me he stayed 350 minutes. Might be easier to convert that into hours, mightn't it? Now, 350 minutes, if I divide by 60, I can work out that that's 5 hours, which is 300 minutes. So it's 5 hours and 50 minutes. Almost 6 hours he stayed, didn't he? Well, he arrived at 10:45. So if he stayed for 6 hours, then that would be 16:45. Just add on 6 hours. But he actually stayed for 10 minutes less than that, didn't he? So his leaving time must have been 16:35. So he must have left the car park at 16:35. Question 11. You can use this graph to change between stones and kilograms. Stones and kilograms. Change 3 stones to kilograms. Right, you're going to need to use a ruler and a pencil. Right, so I'm going to draw up from the 3. Okay, takes me to here. All right, and then I'm going to draw across from here, and that is the number of kilograms it is. Now you're going to need to read that off carefully to make sure you get it right. The answer is 19. Change 80 kilograms to stones. Well, how am I supposed to do that? Because I only go up to 70 kilograms. So the trick is you can't get up to 80 on the scale, but you could do 40 and double it, couldn't you? So let's change 40 kilograms. Change 40. So I'm going to go draw a vertical line from here now. There we are. Okay. So, look at this. That's 6, and that's 7. So it's going to be 6.2, 6.4, 6.6, 6.8, 7. So that is 6.3, isn't it? So, careful. 40 kilograms is 6.3 stones. So I'm going to double that. So my answer for 80 kilograms is 12.6 stones. Right, number 12. Find the number that is exactly halfway between a tenth and 3/5. Well, I know to find the number that's halfway between two numbers, I can just add them up and divide by 2. And of course, this is a calculator paper. So I'm going to use my calculator to do 1/10, 1/10, plus 3/5. 3/5. I'm going to add those up and then divide by 2. And I get the answer 7/20. Now, as an alternative, if you did it using decimals perhaps, you might have got the answer 0.35, and that would be fine as well. Question 13. What's going on here? On the grid, draw an enlargement of the shaded shape with a scale factor of 3. Right, we just have to draw the shaded shape only 3 times bigger. Okay, so I'm going to start here, and that corner is going to correspond to that one. Now, if I go up here, you go up 2. So the vertical line here is going to have to be 6 high, because it's a scale factor of 3. So that is there. Right, now I'm going to go along now. Okay, from my starting point, along from here. Well, if I go horizontally 2, then on my new diagram, I'm going to have to go horizontally 6. Okay, so that's that one. Right. Now, how to work out where this point is going to be? Well, there are lots of different ways you can do it. I'm going to start from here, which corresponds to that. Now, in the original diagram, I go along 1 before I go up 3. Along 1, up 3. So on my new diagram, I'm going to go along 3 times as much and up 3 times as much. So I'm not going to go along 1, I'm going to go along 3. 1, 2, 3, which takes me to here. Put it right here, and I'm not going to go up 3, I'm going to go up 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So this point is going to end up here. And now I just simply need to join up my shape. There we go. And that is question 13.